Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am taking a look at the MAC Prep and Prime. It's an undercoat for your lipstick, so it's basically a lip base. It is really wonderful because it moisturizes your lips, and on top of that, I don't know if you get feathering, which is the lipstick kind of getting into your fine lines around your mouth. It happens at any age. You don't have to be old to have that happen. But this eliminates this. And you want to put it on, do something else like your mascara or your blush or whatever else, and then let it set for a little bit, and then go and put the lipstick of your choice on top of the Prep and Prime. I found this about 2 or 3 years ago. It's really helpful keeping lipstick on, so you don't have to apply as much, so you don't have to use as much, so it saves you money there. And basically the description is a color-free base to wear under lipstick, adds moisture, smooths and refines the lips, improves the appearance of applied lip products. So it's a very highly rated product online. I rate it, I would say 4.5 out of 5. So you want to set the prep. So I'm going to put a little bit, this is what it looks like. I'm going to put a little bit on my hand. And it's just, there's really no color to it, but it's nice and moisturizing. And let that dry just a tiny bit. And then let me pull out a lipstick and just see where that primer is. You just go over the primer with the lipstick, and it gives you a little shine and shimmer, and really great because you don't have to reapply so often. Your lips are moisturized, they don't get dry. I had found out from a person that worked in a MAC store about this product because I had specifically asked about if there were any products that would help with feathering when I wore lipstick. I like to wear red lipstick, and red lipstick is notorious for feathering on the edges because it's a bright pigmented color and it will just get into the cracks around your mouth, and you don't want that. So I asked, is there a product that I can use that will set my lipstick, give me moisturizer, and also keep me from getting feathered lipstick? It doesn't fill in the creases on your lips. I don't think that there is any product that actually does that, or it might be. I don't know why you would want to get rid of the creases in your lips. It's part of the natural look of your lips. But the Prep and Prime, good price, and you get a pretty good amount of it. I've been using it for a little while, so that's a good amount right there. I'll roll that all the way down. Yeah, so this is the MAC Prep and Prime for lipstick. I highly recommend it, especially if you have issues with feathering with lipstick. I didn't when I was younger. I'm still young. I still have issues with the feathering. So if you want to try something that will elongate the time that your lipstick stays on your lips and also keep it from feathering, check out MAC's Prep and Prime. It's a good price, and it works really well, especially under red lipstick. But as I always say, don't take my word for it, try it yourself. And thanks so much for watching.